Ever wondered who's kneading the dough in the world of bakery products? Who's rising to the top and who's getting a little burnt? Today, we delve into the scrumptious world of bread, buns, subs, pizza bases, donuts, cakes, choco pies, pizzas, croissants, and rolls. We'll be comparing and contrasting the top 5 competitors in this field and summarizing the key findings from the market analysis. First up, we have the renowned Bimbo Bakeries. With a robust portfolio that includes everything from whole grain bread to mouth-watering donuts, Bimbo has established a strong foothold across the globe. Their success lies in their wide product range, strong distribution network, and consistent quality. However, they've been known to struggle with product innovation, which is where our next contender shines. Enter Flowers Foods. They are the embodiment of innovation in the bakery industry. From their gluten-free alternatives to their creative flavor combinations, Flowers Foods has been able to capture a niche market that values novelty and health. However, their limited distribution network, particularly in international markets, is where they fall behind Bimbo. Next in line is Yamazaki Baking. This Japanese giant has a strong presence in Asia, with a diverse product line that caters to local tastes. Their strength lies in their understanding of the Asian market and their ability to adapt to regional preferences. However, their limited global presence restricts their market reach compared to Bimbo and Flowers Foods. Then we have the Indian bakery giants, made a mark with their unique products catering to the Indian palate. Their strength lies in their brand image and their diverse product range. However, their high price point and limited product diversity put them at a disadvantage compared to their competitors. Finally, we have the funding scenario in the Indian bakery industry over the last decade. This vibrant market has seen a plethora of investments and a broad spectrum of product development. The strength of this industry lies in its diverse product offerings, competitive pricing, and robust market presence. However, the over-reliance on traditional bakery products could potentially hamper innovation. Let's take a moment to delve into the funding received by the Indian bakery industry over the last decade. This period has seen an inflow of considerable investment, with the total funding reaching billions. Among the top-funded companies, we've seen names like Britannia Industries, Parley Products, and ITC Limited making waves. This funding, however, isn't just about the numbers. It has played a crucial role in shaping the industry, enabling companies to expand their product range, modernize their manufacturing processes, and strengthen their distribution networks. It has also fueled innovation, allowing these companies to cater to the evolving tastes and preferences of the Indian consumer. This injection of funds has truly helped the Indian bakery industry to rise, much like a perfectly kneaded dough. So what does the market analysis reveal about the Indian bakery industry? It's evident that a wide variety of products, a robust distribution system, and competitive pricing are essential to thrive in this sector. However, the capacity to innovate and serve niche markets is progressively crucial. Firms that can successfully strike a balance between these elements are the ones who will lead in the Indian bakery industry. Remember, in the world of Indian bakery, it's not just about the dough, it's about comprehending your market, innovating, and most importantly, baking with affection, because at the end of the day, that's what makes the dough rise, and the customers keep coming back for more.